Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SES Learner. In this video, I'll discuss about the introduction of C, variables and data types. Before starting the video, let me ask you a question. Why do we need a programming language? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, without any further ado, let's start the video. Why we need C programming? Because by learning the C programming, we will know the fundamentals of programming, we'll have a good performance, then you will be able to write efficient programs, and you will also find it much easier to learn other programming languages. Let's see some of the applications of C. It is used in the operating systems like Windows, Linux and OS X, etc. It is used in the databases, embedded systems, and we know that Python is used for making wide range of applications and C is used for making Python. Now let's see the basic C program, hello world program. Let me open the C compiler. The preprocessor director include standard input output.h. We write this for every C program because it includes all the built-in functions like print, scan, and some of the keywords which are built while creating the C language. Then we write int main. After the main function, the compiler starts reading from the curly braces. Here, if you want to print hello world, you need to give printf hello world. Okay. After completion of every line, every statement, you need to give a semicolon. Like how you give a full stop in English statements. Here you need to give a semicolon. Then you need to go to the next step and give return 0 and semicolon. Then you need to close the program with the close braces. After running C, the hello world program is executed successfully. Then next, wait to lick the program with a great. Okay. Next, we have discussed about what the basic C program, hello world program. Now let's see the variables. What are variables? Variables are nothing but you are giving some value. That value will be stored in a variable. Like you will be storing many things in containers. In a similar way, whatever you give to the system, it stores in a variable. That variable, how the variable can be denoted. Let's see the characters allowed in the variables. The characters are like underscore, capital and small letters, and digits. Blanks and commas are not allowed. Next, no special symbols other than underscore. Like hashtag, ampersand, those are not allowed. Only the underscore symbol is allowed. Next, the first character should be alphabet or underscore. The first character should be alphabet or underscore. That means it should not be digits or some spaces or other symbols. Next, the variable name should be keyword. Should not be a keyword. That means the built-in keyword should not be used as variables like print, scan, and int, int, float. Those should not be used as variable name. Next, let's try some examples in the online compiler. Okay. First, let's see with the what. Let's give an example. My channel. Equals to some, what is it? SES Learner. Okay. Is this a valid code or not? Let me know in the comment section. I'll give you 3 codes. You need to tell me it is a valid code or not. Next, it is the second one. Next, the third one is answer these 3 questions. Are these 3 are valid variable names or not? Next, let us see what is the next topic. Here's a few examples are there. Student underscore name. The first character is a letter, so it is a valid. And the next one is height in feet. Height in feet is okay, but it is separated by some spaces, right? If it is separated by underscore, it is a valid variable, but it's not a valid variable now because it is separated by spaces. Next, do you have siblings? It is not okay because here you can see the question mark symbol. I said only underscore symbol is used, and the other one is, what is that? Spaces are there, so it's a not valid variable. Then next comes one underscore edge. By saying this, we'll think it is a valid, but what I said is the first character should not be a digit. It can be either an alphabet or underscore, so it's not valid. Let's see next one. Okay, data types. What are data types? Data types is nothing but the type of value you are giving. Here the 19 is nothing but some integer. For integer values, the syntax is int, and the real numbers are known as float in the programming languages. So the syntax for float is float itself. Then the alphabet letters are called as characters, and the syntax for character is char. Set of characters, and set of letters is nothing but a string. Then the syntax for string is char with the square braces. Next, boolean. What is boolean? Boolean is nothing but answering yes or no questions like, did you like my channel? Did you subscribe my channel? like that. Like yes or no questions. It's nothing but boolean. Please do like my channel, Ray. Next, format specifiers. Format specifiers, what? That means the integers are represented by percentage %d. I'll use them while performing the code. Once see this. And the float format specifier is %f, and the characters format specifier is %c, and the string one is %s. See, these three and boolean has no format specifier. This 3 has the first letter itself as a format specifier, but while coming to integer, it is %d. Please do remember that. Now let's try some examples doing these all. Where is it? Okay. Let's give some int a equals to some 10. Next semicolon. Then you print f. Then print f. What is the format specifier for integers? It is %d, right? Percentage with double quotes, %f, %d, then comma, and the variable name a. At last semicolon. See any errors? No, right? Okay, let's run the program. Okay, here the output is executed 10. Now let's try for the next float. Okay, for float the format specifier is %f. So now let's run it. Yeah, see it gave in the fraction value, but by default the float gives 6 decimal value. Okay, if you want to read input from the user, you need to give scanf. Let's try that example. See here, you need to first specify the data type, then to take the input from the user, scanf format specifier, and we will use operator, that is ampersand operator for, it is nothing but address operator. It stores the input in the variable you are given. So whatever the input you are given, it will be stored in the age. Then printf value of age, the format specifier, and again what is the variable you are given, you will be writing here. Then return 0 and close the braces. Okay, let's try that example. Okay, int age. Next, scanf percentage. What is it? It is a integer, right? So you need to give percentage d, then comma, then ampersand, then age, then semicolon. Print f a value of age, while you are writing string, you need to give in the double dots. Remember that. I forgot to say you while saying the string data type. You need to give double quotes while giving string, and no need for the integers and float. You need to give it for string and characters. Value of age. Sorry. Okay. What is it? What is the format specifier? Percentage d. Then comma, what the variable you are given. At last, semicolon. Okay, let's give some example like I have 100 years. Yeah, it is finally executed. Then next comes read float. It is integer values to read float values. What you should give. Then for these also percentage if like heights it has taken. Next, okay, I'll say you about this 0.2f. Okay, here why we'll write 0.2 is to make it for until 2 decimals. See, here it is 5.9. So if you want to have until 2 decimals, it prints as 5.90. Here we have 6.123. For 2 decimals it is 6.12. Like you will be using it for float values only. Let's try it. Okay. Here let's take the heights. H1 and H2. H1 and but here it is float, right? Float H1 comma H2. Then come down. For float the format specifier is %f, then H1 comma ampersand H2. Then come down the heights are %f comma at right end and %f again. Then here comes H1 and H2 comma H1 comma H2. Sorry. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, let me give 2 heights. 12 some 150 and 160 centimeters. Okay, the heights are, it is float, right? So by default it prints 6 decimal values. So let's take now here at %f 0.2. Here also 0.2. Then let's see what's the output. Here let me give something 150.123 and 140.3 something. Okay. Anything wrong here? Oh sorry, here I did not write if. Okay. You can see here, right? 2 decimal values are printed. If you give 2, it will print 2 decimal values. If you give 3, it will print 3 decimal values. That's all. In the similar way, you can do it for strings. You can give %s here, and you can take two string. That means 2 set of characters. Similar way, you will be getting the 2 string values. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.